If you are joining me for the first time, please remember to click subscription button and hit that notification bell to be the first person to receive the video that will be produced by DevTech Media. DevTech Media, updating you. DevTech Media, subscribe to DevTech Media. Welcome to DevTech Media, the media that shares news, trending videos, political news, gospel music, as well as entertainment. Today we have got a report about President of UPND Hakainde Hichilema and Nawakwi. UPND youth urged Nawakwi to say, "Leave Hakainde Hichilema alone." Join me in detail with your host Luchimbi David. Lusaka United Party for National Development UPND youths have urged embattled Forum for Democracy and Development FDD leader Edith Nawakwi to immediately abort her clandestine campaign against UPND President Hakainde Hichilema. Addressing the press this morning, a combined group of youths from the Lusaka province and Lusaka district youth wings of the UPND stressed that the current crusade in which Ms. Nawakwi has waged a relentless war against Mr. Hichilema by linking him to the infamous so-called abduction of Peluna and Milton Atembo was unfair and unwarranted. UPND Provincial Youth Chairman Henderson Banda rubbished Ms. Nawakwi's claims that Mr. Hichilema had bolted the country for fear of being arrested in relation to the alleged abduction of the Atembos. HH is at home right now. He is very much available and is not going to run anywhere. Not even your call out will enable you to get at HH, Mr. Banda said. He also expressed displeasure at the tendency of mudslinging Mr. Hichilema every time Zambia prepared for general elections. Mr. Banda said it was baffling that Mrs. Nawakwi, who underwent a 3-hour police interrogation yesterday, had unlawfully taken custody of the Atembo children. To the police, Nawakwi admitted herself yesterday that she is keeping the children to the Atembos. The police must move in to arrest her. Why should she take keen interest in the Atembo family when there are a lot of children in North Mid, Lusaka, and elsewhere who need food? He asked. Mr. Banda further urged the police to be professional as expected by the Zambian people and take interest in the Atembo children Mrs. Nawakwi was illegally keeping. And the Lusaka Province Acting Youth Gender Chairperson Mangadelina Banda stated that it was shocking that Mrs. Nawakwi had opted to go ballistic on an innocent fellow opposition leader at a time the country was going through numerous economic, social and political challenges that needed her input. It is very sad that you, Mrs. Nawakwi, have chosen to do what you have done. You are not the kind of woman Zambia needs now. You are a disappointment. Instead of mudslinging our able leader, Hakainde Hichilema, you can do better, she said. Mrs. Banda also argued that Zambia had in the recent past witnessed a number of extrajudicial killings of innocent citizens by both PF cadres and Zambia police, but that Mrs. Nawakwi had opted to remain tight-lipped over such transgressions. There are issues that are surrounding us, such as the death of Mapenzi Chibulo. You needed to take interest in the children of Lawrence Banda. We are looking up to a woman who we can look up to. Unfortunately, you are not that kind of woman, Ms. Banda said. Speaking at the same function, Lusaka District Youth Gender Chairperson Martha Samanje stated that Mrs. Nawakwi's behavior fell short of inspiration to the welfare of the greater good of Zambian women, who were looking up to her as a role model in politics. I want to urge Mrs. Nawakwi to respect as young women. If she expects respect from us young women, let her set an example and show exemplary behavior befitting a leader. It is sad that instead of addressing the issues affecting the people of Zambia, she has taken the route of attacking Mr. Hichilema. Mr. Hichilema is the future of our children, the children who are coming behind us. Whether Nawakwi likes it or not, HH is going to state, and we will not allow anyone, not even Nawakwi, to touch HH. As youths of this country, we are not happy with Mrs. Nawakwi. If she wants, let her face us, she said. And Lusaka UPND, Lusaka District Deputy Chief Anthony Chipolani Zimba stressed that despite Mrs. Nawakwi's uncouth utterances against Mr. Hichilema, she could not stop destiny if he was meant to be Zambian president. No one can stop destiny. If one is destined for something, they will surely get it. HH is destined to be the president of this country, and no one can stop him from being president, Mr. Zimba said. Meanwhile, National Democratic Congress NDC Media Director Emmanuel Malait, who was attended the briefing, stated that the respect that the youths of the country had for women had been eroded by Ms. Nawakwi's behavior. He called upon the non-governmental organizations coordinating council NGOCC to counsel Mrs. Nawakwi on how to conduct herself. I'm appealing to NGOCC and other women's organizations to Ms. Edith Nawakwi down and school her on how to conduct herself as a woman. Her behavior falls short of the required behavior of people seeking to occupy public office, Mr. Malait said. This is the update. This is the news from DevTech Media. If you are joining me for the first time, please remember to click subscription button and to hit that notification bell to be the first person to receive the video. Watch what these youths were saying on this video. Watch. DevTech Media. Subscribe to DevTech Media. DevTech Media. Subscribe to DevTech Media.
I want to express my displeasure on what is happening, what is prevailing in our country. It's deeply disappointing and very worrying, because the opposite is what is happening. In any normal society, when you are going towards the period of choosing new leaders, it's supposed to be a celebratory moment. People are supposed to be excited that apamanje makampeni ya yamba tisankeko maridazi banyowani uja sanashite bwino paja uja nashita bwino paja, we put in new leaders. But what is happening in our country is a very sad affair, where people now are scared of their lives, scared of their properties, scared of a lot of attacks. Strange things happen in our country, happening under the leadership of Vaeti Garungu. I'm sure the major topic here is on this lunas being exhibited by one woman called Edith Nawakwi. To start with, I want to tell Nawakwi that Hakainde Hichilema is a happily married man. Happily married man. And that type of hate that you have exhibited to the world against innocent person, Hakainde Hichilema, is very strange and very questionable. Nawakwi's behavior is highly provocative. Highly provocative. And if Nawakwi is not tamed, Nawakwi and a few others, like somebody has said, Savoy and the other surrogates like Chirifya Tayari, Tewewe, Cosmo Mumba, and this somebody called Antonio Mwanza, if these chaps are not tamed, we risk generating this country into serious chaos, because their desperation for survival is highly questionable. And also, they're exposing the police in their behavior. It's clearly confirmed and known in the videos circulating that Hatembos are very safe somewhere. Of course, not in the hands of Hakainde Hichilema. Not in the hands of the Queen that they arrested and embarrassed. It has never happened in the history of this world. Not only Zambia, even at the continental level, it has never happened where a queen is arrested on fake charges of abduction. To the other hand, the people who are purported to be abducted, they are confirming the videos that they are not near HH's house. They are not near Queen's Palace. But the police found it fit and arrested those people and threw them in jail for more than 30 days. That is highly provocative. Nawaki and Kampyongo, as youths of this party UPND, we want to tell you off today, and of course we'll be telling you this fact. The truth is, you did it in 2017, you arrested our beloved president on fake charges. You took him to jail for 200 days on things that he did not commit. And this time around, we want to tell you that we are not going to do anything. And Wanawaki yesterday, when the Kusaba here that no HH has run away. HH is at home right now, very free. And as youths, we want to tell you, Wakampyongo, because you are boasting that HH can be picked anytime. Please, we are telling you that even your call out this time around, we will not entertain it. Even when you come there, you will first meet us. Unless you prepare millions of cells or millions of graves for us youths, that's when you reach out to HH. We are going to die for this country in millions. Because countrywide, people, they want HH. And if you want to come near HH, prepare millions of graves or millions of cells first before you arrest HH.
But now, the worldwide is calling upon women in participation over politics and in decision making. But manje bakamba kutilangiza vaso hivi. Isenishitizaenda kuti. Which examples is Madam Nawaki giving us? By attacking our president. She was saying that it's personal. We can't leave it personal because HH, we are behind HH. Isendise of HH. But now, instead of addressing us youths, women, but she address my problems ya mene tipita mu Zambia. But she focus pali vintu vamene kudibe. Despite the Hatembos coming, telling the world to say that we are very much alive, we are very much safe, we are running away from Edith Nawaki. She's still attacking our president. The way she's behaving like that woman who was raped when she was young, and she doesn't want to forgive people, and she's taking this on someone who didn't even do it, who was not even there. Now, on this, as us young women, we will not allow Edith Nawaki to continue attacking our president, because Mr. Hakainde Hichilema, he is our future. Mr. Hakainde Hichilema is the future of the children who are coming behind us. This country has gone to waste. But instead, my business, us as young people, we are failing to do businesses in this country. Instead of her addressing all those matters, but she still goes ahead and attacking our president, where we are looking up to. HH, either Nawaki likes it or not, HH is going to State House.
It is very disappointing, Mami, that you've done what you have done. And you are consistent in trying to destroy that which is good in our president, Hakainde Hichilema. You, having known him for some time now, you are able to bear witness that he's one resilient, one hardworking, one able leader that can actually deliver this country from the problems that we are now facing. As a young woman, Mama, I would like to say you are a woman, but I don't think you are the type of woman that we need right now. Because the type of a woman that we need right now was actually given to us by a certain lady called Kavita Ramdes, when she said we need a woman who is strong but can be gentle. We need a woman who is educated but can be humble. We need a woman who is fierce but can be compassionate. We also need a woman who is so passionate that she can be rational and so disciplined that she can be free. But you are none of that. You are not that woman that we need right now. So you are a disappointment, Mama, to say the least. So the best that you can do, instead of mudslinging our able president, Hakainde Hichilema, is to step aside and at least hold on to that little dignity that is remaining with you, so that at least you can, for once, let democracy rule. Because this is what we need right now.
If you are joining me for the first time, please remember to click subscription button and hit that notification bell to be the first person to receive the video that will be produced by DevTech Media. DevTech Media, updating you. DevTech Media, subscribe to DevTech Media. DevTech Media, subscribe to DevTech Media. DevTech Media, subscribe to DevTech Media.